I know we work in television, but it's a lot easier to hold the camera this way for me to film and for you to watch. So I'm going to do a quick high-level tutorial or tour of our 12-foot production trailer. I got an IO there on the front. Gear stack in the front. Let's go over that real quick. UPS, power distro, replay, drawer, audio patch, IFB, power supply, vent, missing blank, one TIF, one 2-channel power supply, DAs, tone generator, phone patch, then Wohler for patching, transmission frame sync, RTS Corona, Zeus comms, and an engineer's KP panel. Up here above that stack we have some more gear, 20 input ATEM switcher, and then 40x40 router, video patch, and then 2 camera bases for ATEM, camera transport with comms and tally. Basically AES to analog for the camera comms, bidirectional, engineer's test monitor, and some cellular and networking hardware up there. Our seat layout is basically 5 seats to here, and if you want to squeeze in, you can put a 6th person there and push them kind of around the corner. You can fit in between the table there. But let's see. TD, some rack ups. Let's see, got a little bit of 2 spot boxes in there for replay moves and such. Producer gets a full KP panel because they might want to talk to more people. Multi-viewer, let's see, these are our replay angles, multi-viewer. Behind them is graphics with some obligatory tape deck stashed in there. We use 3-play graphics, 3-play replay, 4 in, 2 out. And then we have a flex position, which could be bug or a second graphics or a second tape AD, whatever. So this is the pretty rebuild of the new trailer. Bet you didn't think it was going to be that big on the inside when you looked at a 12-foot trailer, huh? All right, next is audio. We pull the truck with this Isuzu NPR. It's got a walk-up set of stairs in it. We're not really complete on this one, and it's never going to be as nice. It just isn't. But audio is in here with a pair of program monitors or multi-viewer, whatever. I don't know why that TV's not on. But hot mic speakers, program speakers, basically hot mic mixer, and some other stuff that comes in a B unit. All right, hope you guys had a good tour. Thanks.